Few things are more frustrating to pedestrians than the treacherous, knee-deep snowbanks and slush puddles left behind from a major blizzard. But experts say the icy inconveniences can actually reveal how urban designers may be able to make our lives safer and easier. When cars travel through snowy streets, their paths reveal parts of the road that the vehicle doesn't drive over. Those untouched snow mounds may range in size and location, but they're typically located in the middle of intersections or inches away from the sidewalk. The phenomenon is now being referred to as sneckdowns, which is a combination of the words snow and neckdowns. A neckdown, or a curb extension, is commonly used by urban planners as a traffic calming measure, making it easier for pedestrians to cross the street and for cars to navigate roads more safely and slowly. Philadelphia activist John Geeting and other empowered city dwellers across the country have documented sneckdowns and used them to push for changes in city planning, such as reshaping intersections, according to 99% Invisible. Geeting walked around his neighborhood after some snowfall to find out where pedestrian plazas, traffic islands and curb bump-outs were needed most. To my delight, the snow revealed some awesome traffic calming ideas I hadn't considered, Geeting wrote in a post on his blog, This Old City. Geeting's photos of sneckdowns were used in a Philadelphia campaign to redesign some city streets and help to improve an intersection in the city's East Passyunk neighborhood, according to Plan Philly. A local neighborhood organization, the Passyunk Avenue Revitalization Corporation, used the photos to develop a mock-up of proposed design changes to the South Philadelphia intersection. That mock-up was supplied to Philadelphia Streets Department, who decided to build a pedestrian plaza in the area where the sneckdown was first spotted by Geeting. Geeting wasn't the first to coin the term sneckdown, however. Urban activists were spotting sneckdowns in 2011, believing that the untouched snow mounds could be used to design safer streets. In the snow, it's easy to see how much room cars require for turning, which may indicate how much space is needed for parking, pedestrians or bike lanes. Additionally, when snow is plowed, it makes roads more narrow, which means vehicles are forced to slow down. Neckdowns extend the sidewalk further into the street, making them a permanent solution for slowing down traffic and, thus, creating a safer environment for pedestrians. Sneckdowns began to really take off in 2014, when a hashtag started trending on Twitter. The phenomenon started to become a grassroots or guerrilla activism approach, in that average citizens could push for safer streets by documenting cars' traffic patterns and supplying them to local officials. Experts point out that unlike other processes, it doesn't require an expensive study or tax dollars to discover where city planning needs to be updated to become more pedestrian-friendly. Activist Clarence Eckerson developed the term sneckdown and has documented the phenomenon via dozens of videos on his Vimeo account, Street Films. Eckerson documented sneckdowns that were created in 2017 after New York City was hit by Winter Storm Stella. He also collected images of sneckdowns after Winter Storm Grayson barreled through NYC. As Keating points out, not all cities get snow, so if concerned residents want to advocate for new pedestrian parks and curb extensions, they may have other options. A lot of people wrote to inform me that flour or other kinds of powder are a common way for street engineers to test where curb lines should be, Keating told 99% Invisible. Whatever way citizens try to highlight unused road areas, Keating said sneckdowns are a great way of catching local officials' attention. Even in places where there is no citizen-led option, making temporary and reversible changes to streets illicitly can be a good way for citizens to call attention to problems that a city administration may not be aware of, or may be ignoring, Keating explained.